So here we have Hemant Atri from Rockwell Automation. So welcome Hemant. So being an industry expert, how do you see the food safety and nutrition industry in next 5 years?
Hey, thanks for asking that question. In my personal opinion, and numbers also speak, our economy is growing, and the food industry is also equally growing at a compounding CAGR of 15% year on year. So, in the coming 5 years, I definitely see a big trend of food consumption that is happening, and by which, because of social, because of educational performance, educational levels which are increasing, and also the economical condition of the overall community, I see the industry is going to grow at a much faster pace in the coming years, and definitely this is a good sign for overall as a food industry or food processing manufacturers, which are also going to be in a better position. Thank you.
That was really great, Hemantji. So would you like to share your thoughts on current opportunities and the challenges in the Indian market?
Yeah, see, coming back to the current scenario, obviously everyone is having this cost pressure, and which is actually being built up because of the input cost of all the raw materials are increasing. Environmental pressures are actually driving those costs higher because farmers are actually losing their crops in between because of uncalled rains for and unseasonal situations. But given the fact, also equally the population growth is driving the trend of food industry consumptions, which is actually going to be helping industry to grow further and reach to the next levels of the growth.
So that was very great, Mr. Hemant. So would you like to share your thoughts on the current opportunities and the challenges in the Indian market?
Yeah. So, coming back to the opportunities and the challenges from food perspective, I see the opportunities are going to be in a much bigger way. Industry is expected to grow as the financial condition of our population is improving, and definitely there lies a scenario where the industry will be growing at much faster pace. But at the same time, talking about the challenges, the cost pressure, the input raw material, and the conversion costs, which is purely driven by manpower and energy, are going to be playing a big spoiler to the industry if not attended in a right way. And also subsequently, the sustainability is going going doing a catching up game, because you must have heard recently concluded the COP28 at UAE. There also the emphasis is going to be given around how do we kind of make agricultural more responsible, because agricultural produce are the main ingredient for us to process in food manufacturing plants. And at the same time, if there are going to be restrictions around the agricultural activity, somewhere I see it is going to be stopping the full blown growth which is expected. That's it.
Thanks, Mr. Hemant. It was a pleasure having you over here.